Alright guys, I'm in the middle of my build. The only problem is now it looks like a freaking puzzle when you're doing this on the weekend. $2,500 to do a low end, it's a pretty good deal. But here's where I sit right now with a KX500 sitting there. This is all going to be powder coated, so I might as well just do it and fix this baby up that I got from PA. I got my new Harbor blast cabinet because I don't want to do sandblasting in the street anymore. That's really gross. I mean, I did this was actually bead blasted, glass bead blasted, which is really good. Here's my sleeve that I have in here. That's the only good thing that I like about that, is that I could just hone it on out, and it's within specs with a new piston. There's my other two jugs that I'm gonna have those replated. But yeah, I'm held up by this one water pump seal. I went this far. I gotta put that seal in there. But other than that, I mean, this was the whole cause of me doing it. That crank shaft seal had blown and the motor was surging, so I was like, fuck. So I redid it, and here I am, and I'm just waiting for this another one in window rows. So I should have just ordered 2 sets, but there's the old ones. Other than that, everything's alright. Just waiting another weekend for a stupid $1 part. So any of you builders out there, for the $15 oil set, order 2. Order 2. Oh man, that's it. Everything else is going smoothly. Just I don't have enough time. Only 1 day a week that I have to do this. Peace out. Until next week.